Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I'll be sharing my realistic trading journey as a beginner. As I mentioned before, I'll be guiding you through every step and providing a real-life example of what it's like to be a day trader. So, we've completed our first week on the Prop Firm Challenge. As you know, I started with a $50,000 account because I found a deal on the company's Facebook page to get 12 extra days. If you missed that video, you can find it in the description below. I decided to risk 1.5% per position, so let's see how things went. I started on January 2nd, which was a Monday, but I didn't open any trades. There was almost no movement in the overlap session where I get my signals to buy or sell, which isn't surprising given that it was the first trading day of the year. Tuesday was more interesting. I saw a strong upwards move, so I opened my position without hesitation and then went to work as usual. I let the market do its thing, but unfortunately it didn't work out. It hit my stop loss at 15.55, so I started the challenge with a loss of 1.5%. Wednesday was a different story. I finally got my first win of the year and ended up positive in the Prop Firm account. At this point, I was up about 1.5% in profit. As always, I looked at the overlap session and saw a signal to buy. I set my target levels for stop loss and take profit, and went to work. It's always better to see a winning position than a losing one, right? Thursday wasn't as successful, and I ended up losing another 1.5%. This brought my account balance back to zero. At this point in the week, I was right back where I started. Friday, the last day of the first week, was more interesting. The market went up a little, then down a little, and almost reached the profit target, but unfortunately it missed by a couple of pips. Then, the US unemployment rate was announced, and the market got out of hand. It stopped me out right here. I had set my stop loss to lose only 1.5% of my portfolio, but with such a high-impact news announcement, it's possible that your stop loss or take profit levels won't be filled at the perfect levels you set them at. So it's a completely normal scenario, but it resulted in a bigger loss than expected. That's why it's better to avoid trading during times like these, but I was working and couldn't do anything about it. The whole idea behind my strategy is the set and forget mentality, so yes, it was bad this time, but it can happen in the opposite direction too, to win more than expected. With time and enough positions opened, it will be even out nicely. So, this is the dashboard of my challenge account. As you can see, we're now at $48,483 and still have 39 days left. I'm not stressed at all, we just need one win and we'll be back at the starting point of $50,000. This is the trading history, where you can see how each day went. We had a loss, then a win, another loss, and today's double loss. I won one trade out of 4, which is why my win rate is only 25%. We'll see how it performs next week. Hopefully we'll end up in some profit and have more peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along with my journey. Leave a comment and let me know what you thought of the video, or if you have any questions. I'm always happy to engage with my viewers.